In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Jumia account. If you want to create a Jumia account, open up your Jumia, click on this, wait for it to open up. Now, if you have not created an account previously before in the past, you can do this, right? It's going to work out for you. So I'm going to wait for it to open up. So what I'm going to do right now, you're going to be able to enter the required details, right? So I'm going to enter this. So I'm going to click on this. Now, if you have previously not created an account before in the past, do this. It's going to work for you. So I'm going to do this. If you've not created an account before in the past, you're going to be able to get a verification code, right? If you get it, you're going to be able to create your account. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.